Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Ship here. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Could you please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated. Happy birthday to Cameron and Colin Walker. I hope you have an amazing day today. I know that I'm sure your mom is making you a very special birthday cake or cookies. I know she's a really good cook, so you'll have a wonderful celebration today. Hey guys, today is National Bike to School Day, and I'm so bummed because this is one of my favorite events of the year. Mrs. Hardwick always does an absolutely amazing job, and we always have so many bikers to Prairie Trace on this day. So instead of biking to school today, I hope each and every one of you get outside at some point today to exercise and ride your bike, and I sure would love to see some pictures of that. So keep those tweets coming. It's been phenomenal to see all of you smiling at home, and I just miss your face so much that it's really nice to see those pictures. So I hope you have a great day of biking ahead of you today. Could you please now join me for the Prairie Trace Pledge? I pledge as a Prairie Trace elementary leader to have a positive attitude each day. I will make good choices even when no one is looking. I will demonstrate the 8 habits to make myself and my school an amazing place.